How important is the reliability of your switchgear, transformers, and other electrical assets to your business? Are you using the most advanced reliability technologies to extend the life of your assets and protect your operations from unplanned downtime? How much do you know about the solutions offered by IRISS? As a proud IRISS distributor, we offer you the best in temperature monitoring, infrared, and ultrasound inspection solutions. Monitoring the temperature of your assets is now available around the clock with the IRISS Delta T system, which reads assets while they operate, reports the data wirelessly, and can notify you of a possible issue that needs to be inspected. The patented infrared inspection windows from IRISS are the toughest and most reliable in the world. Their exclusive reinforced clear polymer system allows for visual inspection as well as any thermography camera to monitor energized equipment through an unparalleled field of view. Available in a range of standard sizes as well as custom sizes and options to meet your needs, and offering you an unconditional lifetime warranty, there is no window in the world like an IRISS window. An added bonus of these windows is that there are multiple lines offering ports for ultrasound and partial discharge inspections. With a simple handheld device, these inspections can be done alongside the infrared inspections and decrease time and expense in the process while increasing the reliability of your electrical assets. With 75% of an asset's total cost of ownership coming from operations and maintenance, investing in a cost-saving solution that increases safety and reliability is the only logical choice. Contact us today and let us be your partner in reliability.